Hi, Nicole. How you doing? So I read your email and I sense your frustration. I'm going to make this quick video for you. Now, in your email, you didn't really describe the technique or the process or methodology you were using to bring type into InDesign. So forgive me if this is a recap for you, but I just want to make sure that you're doing something here. And let me know, let me know. I'm in InDesign here, and I'm just going to simply go to my text tool, and I've already drawn this. Remember, we sketched this all out, so I would have already started my document and had placed my grid in place. But I'm not going to do that because I just simply want to show you how to place your text. So with the grid in place, I will draw my text boxes just like I did in my sketches, okay? So let's say we had, okay, let's say we had that. And then let's say we had this. Okay, so there's our text boxes. And then we say we had one more text box right here. All right, so there's our grid, okay? And that's our page setup. A headline would be up here, and that would be placed separately, of course. But so I've got these three text boxes drawn, and all I need to do is place my text in there. So I'm at default settings right now. I'm just gonna go right over to the Word document for Are the Planets Inhibited? And I'm not going to touch anything that's formatted differently than the body copy because I just want to get the body copy placed, okay? So once I do that, I get that copied, and I'm going to come over to InDesign. I'm going to place my cursor in the first text box, and I'm just going to merely say Edit, Paste in Place. And paste in place, that just means that it's going to go in that box. Now, what happens is it just brings the type in, all right? I have not done any formatting at all whatsoever. So if I can bring my formatting tools over here. So let me see, here's paragraph and paragraph styles, and that's what we really need. And we could use character styles as well. But at any rate, so with my editing tools open, what I'm gonna do, and note I have got this set to typography in my work layout preferences. I'm set to typography up here. So I've got everything laid out. Okay, so now I need to start bringing the type in. All I need to do here is simply, I've got my text boxes drawn, so I'm just going to go to my black arrow tool, and you see that plus mark. I'm just going to click that plus mark, and I'm going to click in the next box, and it will just continue with the same type. There's another arrow there, that's red plus mark, so that's telling me that there's still more type. So I'll click that, I'll place that type there, and there's still more, so maybe we could do a continued on page. Okay, at that point, now you can start editing your type. All right, simply by selecting and going to your paragraph styles and your character styles, etc., etc., etc. So then you can take over from what you know. But that's how you place text. It's that simple. As I said, I don't know if this is a recap for you or if this is what you're doing. I'm not real sure because you didn't describe your process. However, let me know if this is what you've been doing. At least it'll give us a starting point so I can help you out further. Okay, thanks.